See? It changes color every time I change. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, this looks like the right side up.
What did you get?
I got the cradle and the light stick version 4. It looks so nice! I got a photo card.
Of who? Oh, that's J-Hope. Sorry, I don't know. Who is it?
RM!
Oh yeah.
Why does it say Jungkook at the back?
Maybe there's more than one. Maybe there's a stack of photo cards.
Oh, is it? Oh, it is a stack. Oh, look, Boo. Who's that?
I can't tell you. Just tell me. Why don't you just tell me?
I think it's Jin.
Oh, you don't even know.
No, because from the angle and then the side face. Who's this? This is obvious.
That's Suga.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, this is J-Hope. Who did?
Oh.
It's my bias wrecker. It's like someone who's like your second favorite.
Yeah, they have the distinct eyes. Jimin?
Yeah.
Okay.
So good.
That's V.
Yeah.
It's Jungkook.
Yeah. You have to know them all when we go to the concert.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh! Purple is their color. Oh yeah, it's supposed to. See? It changes color every time I change. Oh my god, this is so cool. I'm changing colors! Okay, I got it.
Okay. So what does that do?
I'm gonna use it as a nightlight. A thing light? Oh!
Where are you gonna put it?
At my light stand.
Your nightstand? you mean?
Nightstand. That's what I said.
On your bedside?
Yeah.
Okay.